This is my attempt to explain you what your subconscious mind is and how it shapes your perception. Imagine yourself living in an apartment for 10 years, and that apartment has beautiful, long, tall glass windows, and it is literally exposing you to sun. You have beautiful sunshine outside, everything, a good view. But what is stopping you? The window that has not been cleaned for 10 years. You have all the rejection there, all the labels or the dirt, trap. Now see them as your life labels that people gave you. Well, people rejected you, they betrayed you, they hurt you, they called you names. Now these are all those stains. What happened is, unless you decide to make a change and clean those windows, you will not receive the sunshine that is meant to come in your apartment. And even if it tries to come inside, these labels, they are blocking you. Unless you determine that you will change, you take a clean cloth and you clean it today, you will see the sunlight. That's what happens when we do this inner work meditation or nervous system regulation or affirmations. So for some days you will get the sunlight, but again you start to see the window is getting dirty. Why I say that nervous system regulation meditation is a lifestyle. It's not a one-time thing. You need to do it on day-to-day basis to keep that window clean and clear up to how you want it. So do not just do it, see the result, and stop it. Continue to keep that window clean up to what you want and let that sun shine in. Allow yourself to face the sunshine. That is beautiful opportunities outside for you. These labels, whatever you're going through right now, the circumstances that you're going through, it's not determined, it's not set in stone. You can change things for yourself. You just need to make an effort on a day-to-day basis to decide what you want your window to look like. Do it every day. This was Pooja, and on my channel we make our mind a better place to live, and I'll see you again in my next video.